Hey, we're here at the Acer event in New York, and I'm showing you the Acer Predator Helios 300 Special Edition gaming laptop. Now, what makes this special? What do you think? This has a beautiful white chassis with gold chiseled accents. Think of all the gaming laptops that are black and red, black and blue, black and green. This is really going to stand out at your LAN party. But there is more to this than just the outside. You get a 15.6-inch display. It's 1080p, and one of the display options is 144 Hz refresh rate, G-Sync compatible. That is going to look awesome when you play your games. As far as what's inside, you get a choice of Core i5 and Core i7 processors, and you get a GTX 1060 discrete GPU, which is a fair amount of power for a gaming laptop of this size. Let's also look at the ports on this product. On this side, you see we've got SD card slot, USB, full HDMI, USB-C, and an RJ45 port with one of these wonderful drop jaws that I love. Allows them to fit that port into a relatively thin laptop. Going around the back, you've got exhaust ports. The real exhaust ports are here. These are just fake over there. I was just holding the laptop over the exhaust ports, and you can definitely feel the heat coming off of that. You also have this nice gold hinge. On this side, you've got your power port and also a couple more USB-A ports. Definitely a lot of connectivity. Now we're going to open this up again because I want to talk more about the design. Now this is an affordable gaming laptop, so there are some things you're not going to get. This is white. It's all plastic. No metal on this. It saves a little money on that. Also notice that the bezel around this display is pretty thick. And that helps with sturdiness, but doesn't feel as premium as the metal laptops where they can do a thinner bezel. Now, we've actually already reviewed the Predator Helios 300, the regular edition, and we loved it. It was so fast, and it was so affordable. It was just a really great bargain. So we have a lot of high hopes for this laptop, but I will say that once you bring in the 144 Hz display, you're talking a big hit on your performance and probably a bigger hit on your wallet.